Did you know that a heart surgery in India can cost up to 80% less than in Western countries without compromising on quality? Looking for world-class treatment at affordable prices? Today we are uncovering the top 5 most affordable heart surgeries available in India that are saving lives and budgets at the same time. Hi, I'm Dushyant Magu and welcome back to MedSurge India, your trusted partner connecting patients from around the world to top-tier Indian hospitals and specialists. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss important health updates and treatment guides. The first one is coronary artery bypass grafting, which is also known as heart bypass surgery or CABG. This procedure is recommended for patients with severe blockages in the coronary arteries, which can restrict blood flow to the heart. India offers state-of-the-art cardiac centers, highly skilled cardiovascular surgeons, and the ability to perform this complex surgery at a fraction of global cost, all without compromising on safety or success rates. The second one is percutaneous coronary intervention or angioplasty with stent replacement. This is a minimally invasive procedure and is used to open narrowed or blocked arteries caused by coronary artery disease. A balloon is used to widen the artery, followed by the placement of a medicated or a bare metal stent to keep it open. The patient benefits from quick access, cutting-edge cath labs and care in JCI or NABH accredited hospitals, often without any waiting period. The third one is heart valve replacement surgery. This surgery is performed when a heart valve is either too narrow or leaking. It involves replacing the faulty valve with either a mechanical or a biological tissue valve. Many Indian hospitals provide comprehensive cardiac rehab programs covering everything from physiotherapy to dietary guidance, all included in the treatment package. The fourth one, pacemaker implantation or arrhythmia management. A pacemaker is a small device implanted under the skin to help control abnormal heart rhythms, such as bradycardia, which is often called slow heartbeat. It ensures that the heart maintains a regular and healthy rhythm. The procedure is quick, often completed in few hours with a short hospital stay. Indian cardiac electrophysiologists are globally recognized for their expertise in pacemaker and device-based therapies. The fifth one is minimally invasive cardiac surgeries. This is an advanced technique used for procedures such as mitral or aortic valve repair, closing congenital defects like atrial septal defect or ventricular septal defect, and even minimally invasive bypass surgery. It avoids large chest incisions using tiny keyhole cuts instead. The benefits include reduced pain, lower infection risk, faster healing, and minimal scarring. MICS is available in world-class cardiac centers in cities like New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Bangalore. India is truly becoming a global destination for affordable and quality heart care. With cutting-edge technology, world-renowned cardiac experts, and pocket-friendly packages, your heart is in safe hands here. If you or your loved one is considering heart surgery, visit MedSurgeIndia.com or drop your query in the comment section. We are here to help you at every step of the way. Check the description box for detailed cost breakdowns and hospital recommendations. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more health insights from MedSurge India. Until next time, take care and stay heart healthy.